So guys, when it comes to the Jamaican hand, we really know how to turn it to make fashion, especially if you're gifted. We are truly a talented set, and I have one such gentleman with me. His name is Junior Lindsay, and he's a craftsman who for the past decade or so has been creating his own local designs. Good morning to you, sir. Thank you for visiting us this morning. Good to have you. Where are you from, sir?
I am from Kingston.
Kingston town. So you just had to make a quick trip this morning and come here to show us your amazing, amazing work. About 10 years or so you're doing this?
No, over 40 years.
Over 40 years you're doing this?
Yeah.
But it's been a business for just over a decade?
No, I've been doing it for business.
As well?
Yeah.
So while you were even while you were at the post office, you were doing this?
Well, when I was at the post office, that was when I started to learn the trade. And I was self-taught.
So you were at the post office for about 18 years?
Yes.
How you fell in love with leather and craft and all things?
Well, I was an artist, you know.
Painting?
Painting. But then when I realized and looked into it, I say, I won't make any money out of painting.
What?
At that time.
Oh, at that time?
Yeah, you have to be a well-known, recognized artist.
Yes, that's true, but everybody started somewhere.
Yeah, but that was when Kofi was a top name.
I got you. So you said, all right, let me try the leather.
Let me do leather.
So you just literally got the leather and started carving, and how did you learn the trade? Because you say you're self-taught, you never have YouTube them time there.
What happened, I used to go King Street in Times Store and read these do-it-yourself book. And I saw leather in it.
Read, wow. So, in a time of technology when people are just looking at YouTube and learning the craft, you read the books.
Yes, and then I had some friends, especially this guy, he used to do leather craft at Technical. And he gave me a few hints on the wallet making, and then that was it.
So was it the wallets that you started with, and then you
I started wallet and bags.
Okay. So we're looking at some of the wallets here. I mean, guys, this is the real deal leather stuff. I mean, these don't die. You buy this, it lasts you.
Yes, it lasts very long.
I'm doing an interview. Can you give me 2 seconds? Come off the set. Get off these leather belts. Okay. Yes, Sir Junior. So Neville is gonna get up one of the bracelets that you have here, because you then ventured into the jewelry making.
Yeah. That
came after the wallets, or?
That was during the same period, you know, we just dabble with a few ideas.
You just dabble. I always look at you creative types, and I look at the fantastic work you do and how easily you speak about it. But I guess that's when you have a gift. That's really how it works.
Because yesterday I built the sandals I have on.
Seriously?
Yeah.
How long it took you?
It took me a day.
All right, I'm going to get a shot of your shoes, but not before you mash up the set and the camera. And you have more sandals here, so the ladies, this is for the ladies who want to show off their style, and more for the men as well. I love this. I'm a sandals girl, but I'm looking at this now, which is just incredible. This is handmade?
These are handmade. Well, in the shoe area, I collaborate with a shoemaker, one of my brethren, and his name is Tipper from George's Lane.
My word. Fantastic. And then the belts, of course.
And the belts.
Looking at some of the jewelry now. What you use to make these? What kind of beads
Those are wood beads.
Okay.
And our local cocoon. We have horse eyes on them.
Horse eyes?
These are the horse eyes. At school we usually burn, just rub it on the ground and then burn you.
Oh, Benji, how old are you really? Jeez, so crazy. I never know about that. So you just rub it and burn people?
Yeah.
For fun?
It was a joke.
All right then, haha. Very funny.
And like this one is Lucky Seed.
This is Lucky Seed. And then I see some copper. Is this copper?
This is our copper.
You double in the copper as well.
Yeah.
And then you put the copper with the horse.
Horse eye or Lucky Seed.
Okay. Bags, guys. Love this.
Oh,
this is the real deal leather.
Yeah.
I love this. And then this is a little bit of what do we call this again?
Burlap.
There was a crocus bag.
No.
That's essentially what it is. Sir Junior, your stuff is very, very nice, very classy. Where do we find you to patronize you if we love your stuff or we want to purchase anything?
I am really at 84 Hannondale Avenue, Pembroke Hall. And my number is 313-7058.
Or 542-8354.
Yes.
Guys, iMail. Sir Junior says not email, it's iMail. It's Raz Mabrak, Mabrak at yahoo.com. Or if you want to check him out online, it's www.rasbiz with 2 Z's, RASBIZZ.com. Thank you, sir, for passing through. All the best to you with your business. You're very talented.
Thank
you.
We
wish you Godspeed. Just speed, walk good, trod good. Them shoes on the plane inside a soft craftsman. Junior Lindsay with us on Smile Jamaica this morning. We'll be right back. Ear, man. Ear. 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 Nice.